Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. As you can see, there is my microwave. So today I'm in my kitchen, but I'm not cooking. This is not going to be a cooking video, but I am going to show you how to clean your appliances, which is your microwave, how to clean it without spending so much money on cleaning product. Just clean your microwave with some household product and it will clean really good. The reason I'm making this video is because if you are using store-bought cleaning supplies to clean your appliances, I used to do it too, but I stopped it a few months ago since I have discovered this way of cleaning, which I am going to share with you. Plus corona situation, you are not able to find these cleaning supplies easily in the store or online. Now I'm just gonna open this and show you inside. Please don't judge me by looking the microwave. Just for the purpose of making this video, I didn't clean it in between because I just wanted to make this video so you guys can see how easy to clean with just a few ingredients from your kitchen. So here it is. As you can see, door is really bad, and then if you look at inside, it's like, look at this, the walls from all the side and the tray. Oh my god. So I did not clean this for few days just because I wanted to do this video. Sticky, and then the walls, and you can see it's everywhere on the top. When you don't cover while you're cooking, this is gonna happen. And look at this all over here. It's the tray is, oh my god, it's so bad. So if your microwave is similar, then this will work like a charm. And let's get started because you would not need to do much, I tell you. Now let me show you what you will need. So here I have taken a microwave safe glass or container. Use the wider if you have. I'm just using this. And I have taken about almost close to 2 cups of water. Now you can this adjust according to how big container or cup you're using. Now into that, only one thing you need to add is, I'm gonna give you 3 options. You can use regular vinegar or apple cider vinegar, as you can see here. So use any vinegar you want, or the third option is lemon. So here I have half lemon. Now personally, I don't like smell of regular vinegar or smell of this apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to use is lemon today. So I do like the scent of lemon, so that's why I'm using the lemon today instead of using the apple cider vinegar. So now what you have to do is squeeze lemon juice into this cup of water. That's enough, and just drop the lemon there. And now that's all you do. And then now this, just simply put it in here and close the door and run this for 5 minutes. As you can see, I have entered 5 minutes here. Let it run for 5 minutes. I'll be back once it's done. 5 minutes is just up, and there is a steam coming out, if you can see on top. So it's really nice and steamy inside, so you do not want to open the door right away. Once it's done processing, let it sit for another 5 to 6 minutes. The all steam's gonna do its work, so do not open it, and I'll be right back after 5 minutes. Let's open, and as you can see, there is all steam everywhere. So first thing first, remove this and take out the tray and the ring. Okay, now so if there is still stubborn food sticking on the plate, you pour a little lemon water on it and let it sit few minutes before you start cleaning. So now my oatmeal is here, it's not giving up. So I'm gonna let it soak again for a few minutes before I clean this. And now we will go and clean our microwave while this is working. So now first I'm gonna show you this on roof. So you can just wipe it and it will come off right away, as you can see. So you don't need to do a lot of hard work. See, just give it a one wipe and it will almost everything comes out. And now I'm going to show you right here, and just one wipe. Look at this, comes off right off. The back of this microwave wall looks clean already. And if your microwave is more stubborn, then just run that solution we made, like lemon water, again for 5 more minutes. So the longer you will run and the water boils, the easier it's gonna make. Now you can see it's nice and clean, all the sides. It was so easy to just wipe it off. Now quick tip, if your microwave is bigger, run it for longer minutes, like a 6 or 7 minutes. And just to make it wiping really easy, do it while it's nice and warm inside, after you run your microwave for 5 or 6 or whatever minutes. So let it sit for a few minutes, let the steam do its work, but don't wait it too long, like half an hour and stuff. Then it's not gonna be really easy because everything will dry out. So clean it right within few minutes right after you stop running your microwave. So as you can see, it's looking really nice and clean. So the tray, as you can see, it's all coming off. So now I'm just gonna clean it as you guys normally clean this. Now just take any nice sponge with the little soap and clean it. This is how I clean. So now we are going to clean this outer side of this microwave. So just to clean that, here I have taken just plain warm water. Into that, just gonna add a little bit of dish soap. Few drops is enough. Give it a mix. And that's it. Our solution is ready. So let's clean. Just dip whatever you use, sponge or cloth, dip that in, squeeze out excess water, and then just clean it. So look at this coming out. To just to dry this out, you can use dry cloth or paper towel and just use that. And look at this, looks like a new. I think I'm gonna do this here. If you can see, it's shiny here. All the fingerprints and everything is gone. I'm just gonna clean this part now. Look at this. Alright, so as you can see, it's shiny. It's like a new one. So let's check. Walls are clean. Look at this. Everything looks nice and clean. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this, my little video of cleaning your microwave. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do like this video, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.